Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. A day at the park. Hello, my name is Emily, and I am 18 years old. I live in New York City, a busy place with many tall buildings and busy streets. But sometimes, I like to escape the noise of the city and enjoy the calm of nature. Today, I decided to spend a whole day at the park, and it turned out to be a beautiful experience. I woke up early in the morning because I was very excited about my day. I had a light breakfast at home, a bowl of cereal, a piece of toast with butter, and a cup of orange juice. I quickly dressed in my favorite blue t-shirt, comfortable jeans, and white sneakers. I packed a small bag with a few things: my phone, a book, a water bottle, and my camera. I wanted to capture the moments of my day. The weather was perfect when I left my apartment. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and a gentle breeze made the air feel fresh. I decided to go to Central Park, which is not very far from where I live. I love Central Park because it is a green and peaceful place in the middle of a busy city. When I reached the park, I could already see many people enjoying the day. I started my visit by walking along a long, winding path that goes through the park. On one side, there were tall trees with green leaves that made a cool shade. On the other side, I could see a small lake with ducks swimming in the clear water. I took a deep breath and smiled. I listened to the birds singing, and I felt very happy and relaxed. After walking for a while, I found a quiet bench near the lake. I sat down and took out my book. The bench was under a large oak tree, and I could see the sunlight filtering through the branches. While I was reading, I watched the ducks swim and people walk by. A group of children was playing with a ball on the grass. Their laughter made me smile, and I felt a warm feeling in my heart. I also noticed an older couple sitting close by, talking softly to each other. It was nice to see people enjoying their time in nature. After reading for a while, I decided to take some photos. I walked slowly along the path, looking for beautiful scenes. I took pictures of the colorful flowers that were blooming in the park. I also captured images of the tall trees and the sparkling water in the lake. My camera helped me remember all these lovely moments. I even took a photo of a small bridge that crossed a tiny stream in the park. As I continued my walk, I reached a large open field. In the field, many families and friends had spread out picnic blankets. Some people were eating sandwiches, and others were drinking lemonade. I saw a group of teenagers playing frisbee and laughing loudly. The field was full of life, and the sounds of friendly chatter and playful shouts filled the air. I took a moment to sit on a soft patch of grass and simply enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. While I was sitting, I met my friend Sarah. Sarah also loves the park, and she was happy to see me. We greeted each other with big smiles and sat together on a nearby bench. We talked about our day, our studies, and our dreams for the future. Sarah told me about her plans for the weekend, and I shared my thoughts on photography and reading. Our conversation was relaxed and cheerful. It was wonderful to have a friend to share such a simple but happy day with. After our conversation, Sarah and I decided to walk together around the park. We strolled along a small path that led us to a beautiful garden inside the park. The garden had many colorful flowers like roses, daisies, and tulips. We walked slowly among the rows of flowers and enjoyed their bright colors and sweet smells. I felt peaceful and calm, and I took several more photos to remember the beauty of the garden. Later in the afternoon, we visited a small playground near the garden. At the playground, children played on swings, slides, and seesaws. Their voices were filled with joy as they ran and laughed. Watching them, I remembered the fun times of my childhood. I even tried the swing for a few minutes, feeling the gentle push of the wind as I moved back and forth. It was a simple pleasure that made me feel young and free. Before leaving the park, Sarah and I sat on a bench near a fountain. We listened to the sound of the water and enjoyed the last warm rays of the sun. The fountain was small, but its gentle sound was very relaxing. We talked about how important it is to take a break from our busy lives and spend time in nature. I felt grateful for the calm and happiness that the park had given me throughout the day. As the day came to an end, I knew it was time to go back home. I said goodbye to Sarah, promising that we would meet again soon for another day in the park. I walked slowly back through the park, taking one last look at the trees, the lake, and the open fields. I thanked the park in my heart for giving me such a wonderful day. When I returned to my apartment, I felt relaxed and refreshed. I looked at the photos on my camera and smiled as I remembered all the moments of joy and peace. My day at the park was simple, but it filled me with happiness and energy. I realized that even in a big, busy city like New York, there are many quiet places where we can find a little bit of nature and a lot of peace. This is my story of a day at the park. I hope that my story helps you practice your listening skills and learn new English words. Remember that even a simple day in nature can be full of beauty and happiness. Thank you for listening, and I wish you many peaceful and joyful days ahead. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English story. See you next time.